A rooftop cargo carrier adds storage space to your vehicle. Typically, these are useful if you're taking your car on a vacation and need extra space for luggage. In this video, we will show you KYX Car Roof Bag for extra space for your cargo. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon. The package includes one KYX Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag for hooks, one combination lock, one anti-slip mat, one carry-on bag and a user manual. With simple installation steps, KYX Rooftop Carrier Bag will be fixed at cars with or without racks. First, clean the surface of your car top. Place anti-slip mat that is included in the package ensures the cargo carrier bag stay in place even on the high-speed road, and protect the car roof from scratches and damage. Now place the carrier bag. KYX Car Roof Bag aims to provide extra safe space for family trips. This 15 cubic feet car roof bag allows holding 6 suitcases plus other outdoor travel supplies such as sleeping bags, tents, and carry-on bags. With 2-layer zipper flap, even though it is raining and blowing hard, the zipper will be wrapped to prevent direct exposure to rain. With sealed waterproof zipper, KYX Top Cargo Bag achieves real 100% waterproof. With combination lock, it provides extra security. KYX Rooftop Carrier Bag will be fixed at cars with or without racks. Whether it is a rainstorm, sun exposure, snow, muddy or dusty, KYX Car Roof Bag will be responsible for all luggage on the road. Product purchase link is mentioned in description. Go get yours. Please also subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification icon for product reviews.